is a genetic makeup or allele combination? Who can answer this question? Who can answer this question, guys? Malak Wael. Genetic makeup, genotype or phenotype, Malak?
مستني يا بلجاي.
لا بقى في مسج، جات لي مسج. قول يا رجاء.
genotype.
Genotype, excellent. Genotype, okay. Next question. When the genotype has two identical alleles, it is known as what?
Homozygous.
Identical homozygous, right? Next is the visible trait or physical appearance. Visible trait or physical appearance, which one?
Phenotype.
Repeat, please.
Phenotype.
Phenotype. Excellent. Chart or tool that shows all of the possible combinations of alleles that can result from a genetic cross. What is the answer?
Punnett square.
Punnett square. Right, excellent. What allele will always show up when present in the genetic combination?
Dominant.
Dominant. Probability is the number that describes how likely an event will occur. True or
True.
false? True. Heterozygous is when the alleles are neither dominant or recessive.
True.
Sure?
Yes, عشان heterozygous different فهي it will not always be dominant ولا always be recessive.
Recessive. Recessive may be heterozygous. Recessive always pure, so recessive always homozygous. Habiba.
Yes, I missed.
Recessive always pure homozygous, not heterozygous.
Okay.
Okay, so this answer false, not true. Dominant alleles are represented as lowercase letters of a Punnett square. The dominant lowercase, small letters, false. The offspring of a cross between parents that have contrasting traits. Between parents have contrasting traits, which mean opposite traits, different genes.
Hybrid.
Hybrid, heterozygous or hybrid, right? The likelihood that a specific event will occur.
Probability.
Probability. When the two alleles of a particular gene are different. Genes are different. Again,
Homozygous.
please. Homo,
Homozygous. Zygous.
homozygous,
Heterozygous.
hetero, because they are different. The answer of this question, heterozygous. Heterozygous. The set of alleles that an individual has.
Genotype.
Genotype. The allele that is fully expressed by itself.
Dominant.
Dominant. Excellent use. 1 minute. Sorry guys. Diagram used to predict the outcomes of a genetic cross. Who can answer this question?
B.
Punnett square. Punnett square. The allele that is not expressed when the dominant corresponding allele is present.
Recessive.
Recessive. A version of a gene.
Allele.
Allele, right? Excellent use. A family history that shows how a trait is inherited.
Pedigree.
Pedigree, excellent. When the two alleles of a particular gene are the same, similar,
Homozygous.
homozygous. Dominant alleles are represented with space, with which one?
Capital letter.
Capital letters. Predictable trait or traits that result from the genotype, such as color, shape, etc.
Phenotype.
Again, please.
Phenotype.
Phenotype, right. Group of offspring produced by a given set of parents.
Generation.
Generation. An inherited disease.
Genetic disorder.
Genetic disorder. Excellent use. Which of the following is a heterozygous dominant genotype? Heterozygous dominant.
The last one, G capital, G small.
Excellent. In Mendel's pea plants, the homozygous recessive phenotype was white flowers. If Mendel crossed two homozygous recessive pea plants, what color flowers would be seen in the offspring?
White.
Sure.
تقريبا white.
Anyone have another answer? Hmm? Excellent use. White. Because the two parents are homozygous recessive. Number 3, green peas are dominant, G capital. 2, yellow peas, G small. What is the genotype for a heterozygous dominant offspring?
أول واحدة يا مستر G capital G small.
G capital, G small. What percentage of the offspring will be purebred dominant? Purebred dominant from this Punnett square. 0, 25%, 50, 75. Which one?
25%.
25%. Right. Just this one. Purebred dominant, it must be 2 letters capital. So just quarter or 25%. Excellent. Dominant alleles are represented by a or an dominant alleles. Uppercase letters, yes. Number 6, what type of traits show up in a population more often?
Dominant.
Dominant. True or false, heterozygous dominant trait can be written as P capital, P capital.
False.
False. 8, D capital for dimples, check dimples, D small, no dimples. What is the genotype for a homozygous recessive offspring?
Last one.
Again, please.
Last one.
Last one, D small, D small. Okay. What is the percentage of homozygous dominant offspring from this Punnett square? 75%, 50, 25, 0. Homozygous dominant.
0%.
Sure.
Yes.
Anyone have another answer? Anyone have another answer?
Yes, 0 because no one is homozygous.
So you have the same answer, not another answer.
Yes.
Okay. Both of you are right. Excellent. 0 because there is no dominant homozygous. 2 letter capital. The last question, round seeds are dominant to wrinkled seeds. What is the genotype for a homozygous dominant offspring? Round seeds dominant, wrinkled seeds recessive. What is the genotype for a homozygous dominant?
The first one.
The first one, 2 letters capital because they are homozygous, similar, and they are dominant. It's clear?